Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take alpha-lipoic acid supplements. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, is a potent antioxidant naturally found in your body and certain foods. It plays a crucial role in energy production and can help protect cells from damage. Many people take ALA to support nerve function, manage blood sugar levels, and enhance antioxidant defenses. A typical starting dosage ranges from 300 to 600 milligrams per day, often split into 2 doses. When choosing an ALA supplement, you'll often see RALA and SALA forms. RALA is the natural, more biologically active form, offering better absorption and effectiveness. For optimal absorption, it's generally recommended to take alpha-lipoic acid on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before a meal or 2 hours after. Be mindful that certain foods, especially dairy or calcium-rich items, can interfere with its absorption, so try to avoid taking them together. Alpha-lipoic acid offers several potential health benefits, including supporting healthy nerve function, especially in cases of neuropathy. It also plays a role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and can contribute to overall antioxidant protection. While generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience mild side effects like nausea or stomach upset. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are taking other medications, it's always wise to consult your doctor before starting ALA. To ensure the effectiveness and safety of your alpha-lipoic acid supplements, store them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Always check the expiration date on the bottle. It's important to be aware that ALA can interact with certain medications, such as those for diabetes or thyroid conditions, potentially altering their effects. Always discuss your supplement regimen with your healthcare provider to avoid any adverse interactions. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.